Time is 6:46. Let's check in with Storm Tracker meteorologist Carson. The sun is coming up and it's looking beautiful.
And enjoy it while you got it.
Change is on the way tomorrow and this weekend. Rain moves in Friday, and this weekend, while still nice, will be cooler. This is the last summer-like day for a while on the Way 31 Skycam network. Pretty comfortable this morning. Temperatures for most in the mid-50s, lone exception out in Decatur where we are stuck in the upper 40s. But you can get away without that light jacket. We're going to warm things up very quickly now over the next couple of hours as the sun gets higher in the sky. And of course, the early warning radar network will stay quiet. No rain to speak of on your Thursday. 68 degrees by 9 o'clock this morning. By lunchtime, it's 80 on the dot. Your forecast high is 85. Some hot spots could make a run for 86 or 87. And you saw some of those clouds out there already this morning. Those clouds will continue to move in, especially later on this afternoon and tonight. But again, we stay dry today and tonight, which is good news for the Trash Pandas. Back to their normal schedule today. First pitch at 6:35. You can watch the game on this TV, channel 31.6. Great baseball weather, 82 at first pitch, down to the upper 60s with more of those clouds filtering in by the end of the game tonight. Chores outdoors, you are in good shape for today. Now looking ahead to tomorrow, it's not an all-day washout. In fact, if you can squeeze any outdoor activities or chores in tomorrow morning, I would encourage you to do that. Later in the day, those rain chances will go up, and that more widespread rain now looks as though it will move in earlier in the evening on Friday. Let's give you that new look of future radar. Here we go, 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. That cold front still to our west, and if you've been watching us all week, we talked about how slow this front is going to be until it gets to North Alabama. So Friday morning, most of the rain stays to our west. We still expect to see some spotty showers, maybe one or two rumbles of thunder west of I-65 Friday afternoon. But notice the widespread rain still to our west. Now the big question is, when does this front finally get a move on? It looked as though it was going to be late Friday night while most of us were sleeping. Now it appears that front finally starts to push to the east Friday evening, which means for any Friday plans you might have later in the evening, you're going to need to keep the umbrella handy. Widespread rain is expected around 8 o'clock tomorrow night. A few thunderstorms possible as well. Nothing severe. The severe weather ingredients are way down towards the Gulf Coast. But if there's any good news with this faster movement of the front, it means the rain comes to an end while you're sleeping Friday night. So when you wake up on Saturday morning, we will be nice and dry with some clearing skies, but it will be cooler. 70 on Saturday, 66 on Sunday. Great weather both days, even if it is just a little cool for late April standards. As you look at the 7-day forecast, I'll draw your attention to those overnight lows in the 40s Sunday morning and Monday morning. Frost not looking like a major concern anymore, but as we look ahead to early next week, we'll keep those high temperatures near 70, but a wet weather pattern takes over starting on Tuesday.